My job is to go around different Yoruba towns and cities to interview our Babalawos and Odorisha. So, Ayomo Ogbogun. So, since I've chosen to be doing this, you guys should know that uh, I didn't just start just overnight. You should have known that something must have inspired me to do or to be doing what I'm doing. And I can tell you that no one is perfect. That is it. But the main mission, the main aim, my main aim and objective for what I'm doing is to give our Babalawos and Odorisha voice. And with my research and with the way I've been going from one town to another, there are so many things that I've seen that I've noticed, and this is the research methodology that I adopt is uh, through interview. My research methodology is interview. Now, recently, I discovered that a lot of people are not comfortable with what some of our invited babalawos are saying. And to be sincere, this is a good sign for us, and it's a good sign for us to know that we have a lot to do in Yoruba land. So we cannot continue to cover up, you know, what is not right. We cannot cover it up, And as you know that social media is a place where people can ship their can have voice, where people can express themselves. You can't say that because someone says something that is not right in Ifa, we can't say that the person has committed an offense because he can say whatever he wants, as long as what you are saying is not instigating crime or is not instigating violence or thereabout. Now, I noticed that we are now saying that what some of these babalawos are saying is wrong. Of course, yeah, if you are saying that, my own question is to say, is that what is our reference point? Where do we reference when a babalawo comes out and say Ifa says this, and such a babalawo, for instance, maybe is an Araba of a town, and he says that Ifa says this. So as for me, I am not in the best position to challenge the babalawo to say that what he's saying is wrong, because we all know that Ifa tradition, Ifa messages are information being passed down from one generation to another. So, and as of today, Ifa messages are oral. Even some of the books that we say we have, some people are still saying that Ifa is way more than that, right? So, a lot of people are saying that what this Babalawo said concerning that if I can tell us or can tell someone to become a Muslim or to become a Christian, you know, and a lot of people are now saying is wrong. Well, of course, even though it's wrong or is right, my own job is to interview them. Now, for those of you who are much more knowledgeable, who have enough Ifa proof or enough messages from Ifa to back your point, you can come in and quote some verses of Ifa to counter whatever Babalawo must have said on my page. And this is exactly what I'm preaching. And if you have a Babalawo that can explain better, if you tell me the person and you tell me the name of the person and even the town, and I would like to see the picture of the person, I will go there by myself with my money to travel there to go. If you want to support, we'll accept it. If you don't have the money to support, we will go back. I will go. I will use my own money to travel there to go and interview the Babalawo to challenge, not even to challenge, to to redress, to fine tune whatever a Babalawo must have said, not even fine tune alone, to question or to say a contrary opinion to what a Babalawo must have said on my page. Right? So, what we are doing is purely research. We are trying to, I am learning, and as I'm learning, I want my other fellow Yorubas and Africans to learn, to learn along with me. And as I'm learning, you cannot accept everything people are throwing to you. You are learning. It's your job to just sit somewhere and put your mathematics together to get your answer, right? So that is exactly what we are doing here.